Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. If you're new, I'm Kristen, and today I'm going to be sharing with you guys some yard sale makeovers. A lot of these were free or only $1, so let's get into the video. First one, it is this really cute piece. It was only $1, and I'm going to be using garage sale spray paint as well. I've used this, it works great. This was only 25 cents. So once I spray painted the piece with that white spray paint, I'm using these On the Farm transfers. These are by Dixie Belle, and I love using these. I am almost done with this entire roll. I've made at least 10 or more pieces with these transfers. So they're a little on the pricey side, but you can make a ton of different pieces. So I'm just using this cow, and then it comes with this little craft stick piece to rub the transfer on, and there we go. There's that. And then I'm just going to be adding some twine. And the last minute thing was to add a little gingham bow, which was off of Amazon. Today's video is also sponsored by Poshmark. If you have never heard of Poshmark, it is the easiest way to buy and sell your gently used items online and make a little bit of money. I love selling items on there. I love buying items on there. I love searching through items on there as well. It is summer, so I am definitely searching for items to pick up for summertime. I always like a few new items to wear for summer, but I also like going out to do things for summer, and we need some money. So I'm going to show you guys how easy it is to use the Poshmark site. Guys, so all you have to do is download the app. It is 100% free, and I'm showing you guys a side-by-side of how easy it is to use. So right now I'm going to be selling an item. You can sell clothing items, you can sell home decor items, you can sell craft items. Like, the possibilities are endless when you're shopping on there. Accessories, purses, shoes. I just love browsing Poshmark. I really enjoy selling just because I've been making some extra money for this summer. But they do sell items up to 70% off retail prices, and Poshmark sells home decor deals on designer items. You can download the app for free and create an account and shop for your favorite brands on there. So if you guys want to check out Poshmark and download the app, use my link in the description box below and shop my closet or from your favorite brands. Next DIY, I'm using 3 of these wooden pieces. These were actually in a free box from a garage sale. I have no shame in digging through a free box at all, especially if I can find some wood pieces. So I sanded these down, and now I'm using the Waverly chalk paint in white to paint all 3 of them. I'm going back in with this On the Farm transfer by Dixie Belle once again. So I had this barn, and I wasn't really sure what I wanted to do with it. I couldn't find a frame that would fit it completely, and then the ones I could find, it was just way too small. So I thought I would just piece this out like it is on the transfer. So it comes in 2 pieces, and then you can put them next to each other, or these are for furniture as well. So you can put them on different drawers or different sides of the drawers or whatever you want to do with them. I just like to use them for decor more than furniture. So I'm cutting these out very nicely, and obviously this is not going to fit the entire ground of the barn, but it did fit the barn to its entirety. So I was really excited to create this piece. So all I did was put the transfer on the piece of wood, and then I just used that little scraper or that little craft stick to transfer the image on, and then you just peel back that piece. It is so easy to do these. This only takes a few minutes, and then I always peel the top off slowly just in case some of that transfer does not go on to my wood piece. This right here, the top did not go on, but you know what? I think this looks so great. This was such a really cute project to make. This was such a really cute project to make. I said that, I'm leaving it. It is what it is. for this wood piece as well, I did want to use these transfers once again. Like I said, if you're going to buy something that is a little costly, you might as well use them for as many projects as you possibly can. So I love these cotton stems. So I'm just putting one on each side, and then I'm going to be rubbing these on, and then I am going to be adding a chicken transfer to the center. And like I said, it all came in this roll from Dixie Belle. Piece right here, I cannot find the before of what this looked like, but it was all white, and then it had a little saying on it, and I just sanded it down. And then I actually, while I was sanding, I really liked the way this looked. As far as sanding and having some white on it and having some wood on it, I thought this looked so pretty. And the center is actually a picture frame. It did just have a stock photo of the center, and I already pulled that out. And then you just screw on this little plexiglass with these little hinges and 2 little screws. This was the easiest project to do. It only took a few minutes, and I'd say a few minutes, but it probably took me a lot longer because it takes me forever to get pictures developed from Walmart. I usually go to Walmart. I think they have like the best photo center. And then I'm just putting this back together, and I have a cute little picture of the 3 of my girls on here. And yes, our dog is 100% that type of dog. She is one of my kids for sure. Piece, it was this wood holder, this wood magazine holder. I'm not really sure what it is, but I really like this piece. I'm just gonna be painting it with the Dixie Belle. This is the Antebellum blue, and I really love this color a lot. Like when I say a lot, I mean a lot. So I just did 1 coat of this. I did not paint the inside. I thought that would be so hard to do. Yes, it has hearts. Some people don't like the hearts anymore. I really am not into the hearts. It just doesn't match my decor. But I actually think I'm going to be using this to hold my florals in. So like once I put this together and then it was done, I really thought it was cute, but I thought it would be more functional if I just use it in my craft room as like a floral holder or something like that. I really need one, and I sit on the floor and craft, so I thought this would be perfect. Found this little chicken from Hobby Lobby. It was on clearance for $3.24. It's when they had that great 75% off sale, and I'm just going to be hot gluing it to the side of this piece. And then I just added a ton of greenery. I picked up a lot of that from yard sales as well and Dollar General, but like I said, I think this is just going to go right back in my craft room. It doesn't match my decor a ton, but I still think it is an adorable looking piece. But you guys, that is it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you did, please make sure you give it a thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel, consider sticking around and subscribing. Also, don't forget to download Poshmark. It is free with my link in the description box below. So you guys, I will see you in the next video. Bye.